Hey everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, coming to you guys today with a brand new thing that Merhow's come out with. It's called the Stampedes. So, a little bit of history about these. Basically, there's no differences in the structure of the trailer, no differences in the horse compartment. The mangers are 18-inch mangers. That would be a difference. Other than that, the horse compartment, which I'm going to show you first, basically is the same. There's no difference here. Fully lined and insulated, padded dividers, lower divider on the first stall. No real differences here. The 18-inch mangers kind of give it a good bit more space in here. If you're one to haul a golf cart or a four-wheeler or something like that, you can actually unhook this rear tack and actually haul, or actually put those items in here quite easily without tearing out the whole rear end of the tack, which sometimes in certain trailers you have to. So LED light bar strip on the back of the trailer, that's standard. This one has load lights on either side with switches. So again, really the biggest differences in the Stampedes are going to be in your interior. This is a 8314, so this does have a slide. Little differences in the slide box. We put the fridge in the slide box in this trailer, so it actually took a good bit of room out of the living quarter space. This trailer has mangers, escape door, drop windows on the head side, flip up step at the escape door, which enables you to go in and out of your escape door as if it were a mudroom, which is actually really nice. Merhow does put the empty weight of all their trailers. So this trailer's empty weight is 10,440. That is an empty dry weight. That is an actual weight that's been done at the factory. It does have a weight ticket, so that is legitimate empty weight. One thing Merhow does do on all their trailers, which our customers really like. Drop down windows are really easy to manage. Have nice bars, nice solid windows. Aluminum wheels. So this particular trailer, again, an 8314, it does have dual hydraulic jacks, 2 propane tanks, does have a lockable battery box. This trailer does have a stainless nose. Now the Stampedes, so the kind of the deal with them is you can only add certain things. There's only a list of adds that you can add onto these trailers. They're a little bit more of a cookie cutter trailer, trying to keep the price down a little bit. So anyway, just a little overview. Probably the biggest changes are going to be in this interior. So here we go. Let me head into this interior and try to give you a little bit of an idea. So this is a dual aisle. So we added a fireplace into this trailer. It's kind of cool. So as you can see, the slide box has a fridge in the slide box. You still have a couch that folds out to a bed. You still do have the cabinets, or drawer space rather, underneath your couch. This is the flip down couch with the cup holders. So the emblem here notates that this is a Stampede. I really like the workmanship on the front of the slide box. So that is actually a characteristic of a Stampede. Now, as we've always had with Merhow, all real wood interior. It's been a big deal. So now we have a mixture. So in this trailer, there is real wood fronts. However, we are vinyl wrapped on our cabinets. So that is the idea to keep the price down, is we're working on some things in the interior to be a little different. Although we are not jeopardizing anything whatsoever with structure. All right, so there's 3 cabinet rows in the back. There are 2 hanging bars in there. So you can actually use this. This unit has a place for a TV on this back wall. You could put one of, you could put a big one back here. Any size that you choose. So I'm gonna spin around, and I'm sitting actually up in the neck of the trailer. Just to give you an idea, this trailer is spacious. So, fridge, paper wrap, vinyl wrap, excuse me. It's not all real wood, does not have real wood, excuse me, fronts. Still have your 2-burner stove. Still have what I consider an awesome option with Merhow, which is a double stainless sink that's quite big. If you'll notice the cabinet, or the countertop, it is definitely different. The valances are different. This unit still has a convection microwave. Still has drawers and cabinets. Still has ducted AC. Still has soft touch walls. So basically, we've just kind of backed off on some things. As you can see right here, this is wrapped. So this is vinyl wrapped. I'm gonna step into the bathroom. I'm gonna show you guys that it does have a walk-in closet. We've got a difference in the shower. So this is not a one-piece shower. So that would be a difference from a new generation to a Stampede. So this is a pieced shower. So that would be another different in the characteristic of a Stampede versus a new generation Merhow. You've got a mirror on this back door. You do have a porcelain toilet. You've got a sink and a vanity. This does have a fantastic fan. So essentially, you're not really losing a whole lot of things that we're very known for. You've got a lot of nice fit and finish. There's just a little bit more wrapped vinyl in this trailer than we've done before. Everything else was all real wood. So this trailer actually comes out to be quite a different price point. So just wanted to give you guys a spin around a new Stampede, actually. One that I think is a great one. You could totally put 12 people in here. I'm not exaggerating. So again, a 2020 Stampede Merhow, new on the market with us. I just wanted to reach out and get with you. 2020 Merhow Stampede, Carolina Trailer Sales. Thank you.